8 Health Benefits of Aloe Vera. The aloe vera plant has been used as a cure for several years. The juice of the aloe plant may be a thick, gooey juice made up of the aloe vera leaf. Many people use this juice to treat sunburns, but it is often used for several other things too. It is often mixed into smoothies and shakes, which makes it a really easy cure to use. What can drinking aloe vera juice cure? 1. Alkalinity. A body with a really high acid level are going to be filled with disease, because illness will grow quickly there. To assist keep your body healthy, eat and drink alkaline foods and drinks like burn plant juice. Hydration. The aloe plant is filled with water, so it helps stop you from getting dehydrated. Keeping your body hydrated will help force bad bacteria out of your body. Drinking burnt plant juice also will fill your body with nutrients that help your organs work properly. This is often important because the liver and kidneys are the organs that get the bad bacteria out of your blood and make urine. For this reason, you've got to stay them healthy. After you are doing heavy exercise, you would like to rehydrate by taking in additional water. This is often to eliminate the carboxylic acid that builds up during exercise. Rather than coconut milk, try drinking burn plant juice after your next workout. Liver function. Aloe vera juice is filled with water and phytonutrients. This is often great for the liver because it needs water and nutrients to figure well. The liver is responsible for cleaning the bad bacteria out of the body, so it's important for it to remain healthy. For constipation, aloe vera juice will fill your intestines with water. Research shows that a lot of water within the intestines helps peristalsis, which can assist you pass stool normally. If you're having problems with constipation, try drinking aloe vera juice a day. This may help keep the healthy bacteria in your intestines at a traditional level. For clear skin, aloe vera juice can help stop acne from happening. It also can stop skin conditions like psoriasis and dermatitis. Aloe vera is additionally filled with antioxidants and vitamins which will help your skin. It can guard against ultraviolet (UV) radiation, fix the skin from UV damage, and help stop fine lines and wrinkles. Nutritious boost. Because burnt plant juice is filled with vitamins and minerals like vitamins B, C, E, and vitamin B6, drinking it's an excellent thanks to confirm your body isn't missing of these nutrients. Aloe vera is additionally one